Okay, the way that I have this connected, instead of doing the backup lines in here like we normally do with the other ones, we're gonna do the backwards mapping. But for you to understand this part, it's better to open enable mapping right here so you can see where you're starting. If you see, I got my first line on P01 to number 1, and the backup line for that one, it's the number 9. Then I got 2 and 10, right? 2 is my main, 10 is my backup, both of them are number 1, right? So I'm going to close the mapping, and I'm going to show this into Resolve. And so got that right there. So now I'm going to open mapping, and I got my port number 1 right here with these numbers right there, port number 1, and then this is my number 1 and number 2, and then port number 2, it's this one and this one, right? And then for backup, you're going to screen 2, and then right there is showing you that is number 9 and number 10 your backup lines, right? So I select number 9 right there, and then I come right here, that's my number 9 right there, and then that's 2, then 10, it goes this one, and as you can see, so this one and this one, that's my number 10, and then you send it. So one of the things that you gotta keep in mind for this is that the way that it works when you do your mapping wise backwards, you have 10 ports right there, right? So if you have from 1 through 8 connected, or 1 through 10 in this side, then the following ones are going to be like the following numbers from that. So like for example, if I have these ones, instead of being right there, I cannot back it up from here. I could probably use that one to back it up. Let's see. I'm going to disconnect this one, and I'm going to back it up right there and right there, right? So now I don't have nothing connected on my backup line, but I'm going to close the mapping and then open mapping. So now it is showing that part, and now my screen 2, I'm going to reset my screen 2, and this is, I put it on port number, as you can see, I got 5 and 6. So I'm going to do 5 right here, from here to here, and 6 from here to here, and let's see if it's gonna map it. And everything is still there. So now we are going into everything is coming from one of these boxes, but the whole purpose of the box is to have one as a backup. So we don't really want to do that, but it's something that like that for you to know, like you can like wire that. So I'm going to disconnect that, put it back into here, and disconnect this one, and then connect it right here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to reset this part, so I know that it was number 9, and then we go from here to here, and then number 10 goes from here to here, and then we're gonna send it, and then it's gonna send the whole information, but the numbers are going to be still there. Marvin. And once this is done, I'm going to show you something else. I'm going to close the mapping. So mapping went away, and now I'm going to disconnect one of the cables from the back. This one is still good. Sebastián, ¿me puedes hacer un favor? ¿Puedes desconectar el cable que va de este panel a este panel, por favor?
¿Cuál?
El de Data, el que está brincando de aquí para acá.
¿Power?
Data. You see how it went kind of like away, but then it kind of like it got fixed by itself. Enséñame el cable, por favor. So you see the cable's right there hanging. So now put it back. Ponlo de regreso, por favor. That's how you're backing up with the fiber. And that's all that I can do to help you out. And I hope this should help you. And if you have any more questions or anything, just let me know. Oh, but I want you to see the line that is working without the lagging thing. So everything is up and running. Chido. Chido, chido. Cámaras. No, en la flapper.